to a special episode of Cooking with Space Dad. Today I am joined by my son, Hunk, the master chef, who's going to help us make some Shamrock Shakes for St. Patty's Day. Let's get started. I have this on my phone too, but I remember it was 3 scoops of vanilla ice cream. I don't know if this makes 1 or multiple, so I don't know if you want to double it or not.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes.
Yeah, but blender's right there. I'm gonna go grab the recipe real fast.
Ooh, this is soft.
Yeah, I ran the thingy under hot water, so I was
hoping it would
come out easier. Oh, that's a TikTok I was gonna do. I have so many TikToks.
I saved TikToks first too. I was just like, okay. Oh, for some reason I was up at 5 in the morning. I was like, let's go on TikTok.
That, right? Like, I'm bored. I'm gonna scroll through TikTok for 5 hours straight. Okay.
Do you ever get those messages where it's like, hey, you should get off of TikTok and go drink some water and stand up?
Yeah, yep.
TikTok, looking out for kids.
So 3 large scoops. I don't know if this is 1 though, or like...
About a
1 serving.
1/4 cup each.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 tablespoon of peppermint, and then 6 drops of food coloring. This is a little too nimble for my robot arms.
Ooh, she's big.
She's there. And then I was wondering if you wanted to add in milk too, because I feel like this is going to be extremely thick.
Since she's supposed to be thick.
Yeah, it's supposed to be like McDonald's Shamrock Shakes. Okay, then 1/2 teaspoon. Teaspoon. This is gonna go by really fast. I just
yeah, it's
realized
a very quick episode here. We're also making tea, if that's any consolation. What do you guys do for St. Patrick's Day? Could we have made Irish soda bread? Yes.
Oh, that would have been so good. I feel like I'd fail miserably at that.
That takes a lot of time, so...
What did I do with the green? The green.
Oh.
That's okay. It'll be extra pepperminty.
Who needs to brush your teeth when you can just lick?
So it looks kind of blue. Should we just mix the blue and the orange?
Yeah, that's how color theory works, right?
I mean, close enough. We'll see.
I mean, clearly I can match greens and oranges very well.
You do. You have a great fashion sense. Not as good as mine, but like, it's up there.
It's up there. See, that looks more green.
Right? Should we just try it with this and then maybe add a little bit of orange?
Yeah, maybe it'll be fine. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. We'll see if I remember how to press the on button on this thing. Okay. On, off. Here we go. Oh, you're a genius. Pressing the off button to turn it off. Why didn't you think of that? Yeah, that barely made anything.
That made, yeah.
Okay, I think I was just expecting more with that amount of ice cream. But that is a gorgeous color.
Now to ruin it.
I was having a really bad day earlier, but now that you're here, I feel like I'm really times happier.
Is it just because I'm cosplaying as Hunk?
I think it's just 2 presents in general.
Oh, yay! Oh, that's a big scoop.
Perfect. The biggest of the scoops. You want to measure out the heavy whipping cream or just eye it?
I should probably measure it.
Okay. I really hope this doesn't suck, because I really like Shamrock Shakes. Perfect.
Oh, now my hands are green. How did that happen?
That's what just happened to me too. I literally don't know.
Talk about having a green thumb.
Please don't be too much. That was a lot, actually. Okay, here we go. Round 2. Attempt 2. We're gonna nail it this time.
I like how we got none of the green in the milkshake,
Yeah,
but like all of it
on your hand.
on my hand. Oh, that doesn't.
It just stained. Okay.
Interesting.
I think this is definitely done. I actually really like this color too. I'm really glad the teal food coloring worked out. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna grab a close up of this, and then I got some maraschino cherries and some whipped cream. We are all done with our Shamrock Shake. Maybe. Fiddle scoop.
You know, that's a lot better than I would expect it to be.
You're right, actually. That's a lot of food dye in one place. This is very hard to do with this hand.
Do you want me to?
I may pass it off to you in a second. I feel like I can't use my thumb to grab
Yeah,
it.
you're not very handy.
Wow, making fun of my lack of hands. Okay, I'm gonna pass this off to you. Push those out of the way. Yeah,
Respect puns in this family.
we have some reusable straws too. Don't use plastic straws. Save the sea turtles.
Save the world, my guys.
Yeah. For Earth Day, expect a little video about how to be more eco-friendly as a cosplayer, because we're both very, very big on like saving the environment. So,
I mean, have you seen my brand? There's koalas in there.
I love koalas.
A bunch of koala fan pages started following me. I'm like, they're coming for my brand. They know
Oh,
I
man.
will waste all my money.
This looks so good.
They know I'll drop out of college to go save the koalas.
Yeah, a YouTuber that I really like, she just raised like $65,000 for the wildfires, and she like split it up between charities, but it made me happy because someone went towards like koalas, saving the koalas. I can't speak, I'm too tired. Oh, these look so good.
Like I almost like changed my major to zoology.
Because
Because before the coronavirus scare, they were just like, we're just gonna send all our zoologists to Australia to go take care of like the animals from the wildfire, and I was just like,
I want to be one.
and I was just like, okay, like,
I want to take care of koalas.
I was like, I guess I'm a zoologist now. Like, sign me up. Just be like, Animal Care 101.
Do it for the koala bears.
I will just even feed them. Or like be a panda nanny. Dream
That'd be
job.
incredible.
Dream job.
I've never even seen like a real life koala either.
How much whipped cream?
As much as you desire.
Should I do like fancy aesthetic shots?
Ooh, yes. Oh, that looks so good. You got like the perfect swirl on that one. Okay. Which one do you want? Perfect swirl or?
Doesn't matter. Just for the Instagram shots.
For the Instagram.
For the Instagram.
I'll grab this one because I'm a hoe for whipped cream and that one has a ton. I really like whipped cream. No, he's fallen! Why are you falling?
No, I just like saw a picture of how ridiculous I look at myself in Snapchat right now. I'm
You
like,
look adorable.
oh no.
I love your hat. Your hat's my favorite part. Yeah, so the one on the left is a little bit tragic, but that's my fault. Hunk did his best and I'm very proud.
I just like the little.
The hat's adorable. I love the hat. It's my favorite part. Let's go. Let's go. Boop. Where are you going?
I was ready to sit down.
We can sit down in like 20 seconds.
I'm such a lazy person. Thank
It
you.
actually does taste like a Shamrock Shake.
It really does.
If it was like a little bit thicker, I think it'd be spot on.
It's really funny though. Like McDonald's ice cream things never work. Except for Shamrock Shake.
Yep. Shamrock Shakes are the only good shakes.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you get a steak and shake, because all of their shakes are good if you actually get one. Anyhow, thank you so much for joining us on our St. Patty's Day adventure.
I only have one thing to say. Why are there no boys in the yard?
Did I not get the message?
Milkshakes.
Oh, the
Where
boys-
are they?
I don't. Maybe they got lost. Kids aren't very good with directions.
That's so true.
Right? It's bad. It's so bad. I get lost walking in a straight line.
I was waiting for that moment. That joke.
Oh my god. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on our next episode. And if you would like to check out Hunk, all of your social medias are linked down below. As always, we are probably going to make some cute TikToks after this. So check out both of our TikToks as well.